Let's start stream again. Yeah, sorry, apologies for that. Yeah, it just seems that I was looking at OBS and it just didn't play. But welcome back to another stream from Charles here, and thank you guys for watching. Um, oh my gosh, I said the wrong thing. All right, let's start over. Let's go and start over again. Yeah. Hello, thank you guys for watching. My name is Charles, and you're watching Late Night Game Dev Stream. And today, we got something pretty good. I think we probably got something, for at least the main intro video. Um, just a quick update. I haven't been posting much. Speaking about posting, I should probably get that other raw dev stream from last Friday. No, Monday, yesterday, Monday. So yeah, I probably get that. I probably post it up on YouTube, just for you guys to kind of take a look, dig through, and whatnot. But I was saying earlier in the community post on YouTube, I've created and I've finished a long form video. It is definitely my first game review. So I'm releasing it tomorrow at 1:55 p.m. Pacific time. So please do look forward to it. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And suggestions, comments, you name it. Just want to go ahead and create and tailor it to for you guys, right? So that you guys can either be better developers and better appreciate the art in game development, game design. What I have for you guys here today is maybe actually a working piece of the actual intro BGM music for the game demo. And I kind of worked on this on off stream just to kind of speed up the process. And I thank Briley, last stream for just giving me guidances and whatnot. And so really appreciate his help on how to work and just how things are, what are the things to look up, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and if I can zoom in. Oh, jeez. Okay. So I probably hope you guys can see this, but currently what we have right now is a couple parameters. So following Bradley's advice, I went ahead and actually created a base. To anchor the sound. Probably is two anchors. Maybe one anchor is going to be more of an ambience, kind of a space themed noise. I literally went through I think most of the Spitfire plugins yesterday, and it was started giving me a lot of cool ideas, a lot of different gameplays, and I'm just firing off just ideas at this point. But one thing I do kind of wanted to at least briefly talk about is, so I was watching Asmongold on his stream for Death Stranding 2 on the beach, and there was a short interview by Hideo Kojima. I think it was a Sony GSXW show. They were kind of showing like the what's the new game coming out with Norman Reedus from Walking Dead. Anyhow, so after watching it, that actually definitely got me interested, and I probably was thinking about doing a game dev review of it. Now the question I do have, not question do have, but one thing I did know, so I did a little bit more research on, Kojima, and I kind of have to agree with him. It's on Wikipedia. You can check it out, where he wanted to wrestle away the control from the programmers, I think, and give it to more, I guess, the directors, the designers. You know, feel free to correct me from for if I'm speaking out of turns or out of context, but I kind of get the sense where, from his time, I read about how he had faced technical limitations on his end, right? His developers like, oh, we can't do this, we can't do that, and so he got fed up and helped and set up and created the Fox engine. One thing I just kind of would really say is like wresting this control from the developers, into the hands of the creators. I kind of felt a little bit of that as I was designing this audio composition. It gave me it was a weird experience where it gave me the some as I was playing, they played some samples on Spitfire. It gave me some ideas of like what kind of game this is. I originally kind of wanted to shoot 'em up, but hearing the synthesizers, the foghorn, or synthetic strings, classic strings, piano, intimate piano, grand piano, glass, so on and so forth. It kind of helps to shape my certain perspective on how to go and create the game. Right? Originally, as a dev, I was thinking like, okay, build the mechanics, shoot 'em up. But I really feel now strongly, and this is kind of where perhaps I could be totally 100% wrong. I totally do feel like you kind of, as a programmer, simulations is fine, but it's gonna get you only so far if you just, I don't know. I know perhaps Lethal Company, those games are a bit more group play, meta esque ish, is currently popular, but I think the expectation for any form of like narrative driven type of game is that you kind of need to have a really good understanding and combining the audio and the game mechanics and the visuals together to create a really compelling story, because everybody could get to this point, or but from your perspective, this point, right over here, right, and sure, maybe some little more like game simulator, 2D game, Prison Break, blah blah blah. But if you really want to get to like master level, you gotta be a master storyteller, and I kind of feel as if in order to be a master storyteller, you kind of need to know not just the facts, but how to go ahead and tell that story, right? Whether it's visually, for example, right? For you just say, as a programmer, we can say something like, "Oh, let's say that you go on a camping trip. Yep, I went on a camping trip with two of my friends. Their name was Bob and Jill, and we went to Mount Mount Rushmore National Park, and we camped there for one night. We ate beans, bacon, and toast, and that was it." Right? You get the main components and chunk in there, but you're kind of not You're just kind of not really helping the audience. You're just, in a better way, just telling them like what you've done, like a report, right? But if you want to be a more storyteller, I really feel like you could probably be more descriptive. But again, right? To show, not tell. Right? You can say something along the lines of, "Well, you know, Bob, Bob, Bob and I, we got on the chat, and we talked about, say, hey, let's go. Hey, you guys have you been to Mount Rushmore National Park?" And I was like, "No, I haven't. No, I haven't." Yeah, you have the dialogue in there, and then get to go into the scene where you guys are eating dinner. You can say something like, "Yeah, with the cold pan, with the fire that was just started, we placed the pan under the fire. Slowly, but surely, one by one, we hear the sizzle, 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 sizzle. Oh, and Jill went from her pack, grab a carton. She opened it and took out 2 eggs. On the side of the pan, she struck the eggs, cracking them open. And the egg yolk and the egg white spilled forth onto the sizzling pan. Bob grabbed the bacon on the side and placed it on the pan. It's just something more like that, right? You can kind of hear, feel the taste, feel the hearing, feel as if you're there, you're watching that scene. So you know, as we're doing this audio composition, I kind of felt that, wow, you know what? That is show and not tell, and I do get it how we are using what you call it. We're using a lot of dialogue boxes. Yeah, and that might be like a cheap way to kind of like, okay, just tell the story, but I think it does come at a certain cost for engaging and being more immersive and just enjoying the game. So yeah, that's just my thought. I just want to go ahead and get this recorded, for myself to look down upon, not look down upon, to look back upon how what we really my goals and plans. I definitely would want to do a show and not tell kind of story, and yeah, but all right, so let's go ahead and get into this. So what do we have here is a certain composition, right? And so here, you guys go ahead, and I'm going to just play this, and hopefully the audio will catch it. Oh wait, hold on. What? Yeah, for reals. Hold on, let me double check. Oh, okay. Oops. That's interesting. Okay. I think one thing I kind of did find is that I think if you change it, the Reaper, I think you gotta go ahead and restart this, or you actually will need to go ahead and probably change it in here, switching between the audios. But let me double check, see if this. Oh, please don't. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh man. Gee, just when I really need it. Okay, great. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, so shortcut key W beginning. And let's go ahead and play this. Okay, right? And now, if we were to go ahead and play this in a loop, right? see if I go ahead and minimize this and minimize this. So we go ahead and play this again. Oh, come on. Shoot. Oh, man. I'm ruining the experience. Jeez. Right? So I feel like this is probably a good infinite looping of the intro, actually. Um, yeah, I definitely use the rule of the pentatonic one, but I needed also to kind of give it a little more spacey vibe, right? Rather if I just mute this, right, and just have the piano playing, right, just have the piano play, it just felt like as if there was it was almost there, but it needed the piano. I mean, sorry, it needed the fragile air to kind of give to to give that there's like volume, the volume within that space, right? I should go to the top one, but I think what be added on a little bit more was just this last part. Um, oh gosh, what's this? Oh, jeez. But yeah. And so I think what I gotta do right now is gotta go ahead and clean this up a little bit. Probably will need to go ahead and go and get the piano, split off the piano so that we just only have is the patterns, right? Because right now I don't know if we can actually really do a loop, right? This is a leading part. um, MDX, more fragile air. Yeah. Oh yeah. um, Probably one bar at a time. Yeah. I mean, it was much more very easy on the air part. It's just you just playing that note over and over again. Um, yeah, here. I gotta fix this. Yeah, there we go. Do I actually really need to fix this? Oh. Ooh. Hmm. Let's see if okay. Well, if I were to play this whole thing as a loop, right? Oh, so the second part here, right? So you everybody probably heard it from last stream, and if you haven't, it's fine. I'll do it again. You hear this part, right? Right? Those five notes, right? C, F, C, heck, C. Right. Originally, there was four on last stream, but I felt as if, following the pentatonic scale, constraints, right? It felt good to just. It felt right to just end it on a, was it F, on an F sharp, right? I want to create that dissonance of it being a little bit more danger, since something's a bit wrong, but I then thought about, yeah, I mean, there's other scales that were like, that you could, in piano, what was it? You can play something like, oh, oops, geez, wrong one. Percussion. But let me go back to where is soft. Soft piano. Right, soft piano. If we do something like here in this key, which hey, so if you don't have the keys, right, you can go to here, go to views, I think, or views, and maybe virtual MIDI keyboard or Alt B, right? But in this virtual MIDI keyboard, I can use like the keyboard to kind of make some, to play test, right? So it'll be what? So we got what Z. Oh wow, we can play together. So I gotta go ahead and disarm that and play that. Right? The C. If I go, and I thought about going to. So there was a little bit of like shifting by a lowering shift down to the half step to kind of give a little more pleasant hearing, but there's always a bit of a dissonance within the sound, and it actually worked very very well in this. Let's see here. Right, and so then you go to have, so you have here. So I go back. Dun, 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 right? 5 neat, and we shift one down. It'll be do 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 do. So. Sorry, so it does feel a little bit eerie-esque. And it's gonna set the tone for the game too. So 100%, and I'm definitely thinking going to go for this. And remember, right? But Charles, right? You said five notes, right? Five, not 5 notes, but like five, keys, right? But how come we have this one on the bottom, right? And if you play this, they're both the same, but I think this is just one octave lower, and so you can still following the rules, I think, but I think the rules there to help so you can kind of have a good melody. At this point, I think we do have a good melody. Because like I struggled with trying to figure out what a melody is, and I was looking through like just searching on Google, right? Claudia gave me was the whole boom 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 boom, and then we will rock you. That's one. Or for a more modern one, it'll be like what was that? Dun 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 dun. Right? Dun 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 dun. Right? That's Hell Divers. Another one, probably more classic. Do 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 do. Mario. Right? So the melody is something like you're gonna have to, you can sing it out like just what I just did. Right? So I want to create something more like that, more singable, right? Do 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 do. Right. Do 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 do. And then I think so. The melody is going to be these 5 notes. Definitely kind of taking it from inspiration from Super Metroid to kind of give that dark, eerie feel, especially space. Right. So okay, so let's see. I kind of definitely want to separate this, and so if we were to loop this, Here, I'm kind of wondering. So if we were to play this out, right, how would this look? Okay. So probably be playing a little bit more, but maybe I could really play from here. It does work actually. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, maybe I just need this segment, right? Make this segment. But I think what I'm hearing is like that foghorn in the middle. Just it doesn't. It's like I keep note more. It's like the same notes being hit, but I think I want it to be more continuous, right? So perhaps let's go ahead and delete this. Shift this up. Right. Perhaps. Oh, okay. Um. Probably one bar note. Actually, hold on. What? Oh, 13th. Okay, let's take a look. Oh gosh. Okay. I kind of want this thing to just keep on going forever. Let's see. It's going up to 4 of 10. But wait. Complete 10. Go all the way to 11. Okay. Let's go ahead. Get that. So let's see. Let's play this. I wonder. Hmm. I don't know if there's anything different. Ah, yep, there is difference. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna keep letting it play continuously. Um, yeah, always 11 bars. I think at this point we could probably 18 seconds, right? 18 seconds. Have it loop. Have a loop. Let's see. Go ahead, render. Starfighter intro. Yeah, yeah. You know what? Let's go ahead and save this. Let's drive one. No output. Ooh, ooh. Sorry for the intro peak. Oh, and this one what it tells you is like, hey, just there's a couple stats, so you kind of get a better idea of audio peaking and whatnot. So let's go ahead and render it. So okay. Oh, oh, folder. Oh, well, we are here. Awesome. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save this. Okay, go back to. Go back to here. Where is my game? Gosh. Wait, 2024. Oh, wait a sec. No. So go back to projects. I'm sorry. Oh. What the heck? Where actually? Where is my game? Oh gosh. Oh goodness grief. Jeez. Game project. Oh yeah. Okay, gotcha. Oh my god. I nearly forgot where I put it. Oh, I'm so smart. Wait. Are Oh gosh. Okay. Let's look for Godot. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, why not drive? Goodness. Okay. I think we should be good. And I'm going to music. Open the file manager. Come on. And we're going to put that in here. In here. Okay. So. Let's see. Environmental background, gameplay. Let's go to the main menu. Okay. So, you got environmental background. So, pause screen. Where is the main menu of the game? Oh. So, I think what we're going to do is... Okay. Odd. Man. Whew. Oh, okay. Let's see. Admin player, audio stream player. Let's go and take a look. Stream audio. Load. Art, scene, sound, music. Boom. And then I think we'll go ahead and here. Probably, hey, so it's ready. Hide the options menu. We're probably going to get that. Audio stream player. When it's ready, we'll go ahead. Dot play. We won't have it play. Right? Once we have it to play, thank God, I'm back to coding a little bit. But you guys can see though how we can just get ourselves into the whole not necessarily like the audio is just a whole new space. Um, we could get ourselves bogged down into audio. So, trying to bring myself back. Just hey, let's get the job done, and let's go ahead and do another scene. And I think over here we're gonna go ahead and call it this one to stop. Right, go ahead and call this to stop. And now let's go and play. Oh, I gotta check to see if it loops. Oh, it didn't loop. Okay, so what we gotta do here? Audio single track, physical process, stream, autoplay. Crap, where's the loop? Playback function, default, stream, samples, physics, grouping. Was it stream? Oh shoot. Okay. Well, what is loop? Give me the loops. Okay. Oh, don't need that. Okay. Godot audio loop. Audio stream player. Huh. I want Godot 4. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's the loop mode. Loop mode disable. Loop. Wait, why can I not loop? What? Okay, this is funky. Because I think what all the other ones can. I can't using loop audio stream to play. Double click the OGG file to loop. Here's another one. Alright, you know what? Okay, fine. You know what? Audio stream player. Okay. But this doesn't make sense though. Like you want let's take a look. Player. Okay. So I'm guessing we probably hit this a little bit challenge. So load sound music Starfighter intro is that okay. Let's take a look. Stereo 16-bit. This kind of seems a bit. Oh, jeez. Okay. Go back to code. Yeah, replace these two values. Okay, let's see what's kind of going on. Okay, I wanted to keep playing. So just keep playing, dude. Okay. Okay, stop it. Cannot for WAV files. Maybe. Oh, hold on. Okay, import. Oh, trim normal preset.
So, if you would like an audio track to automatically repeat or loop, for instance for main menu background music, one way that you can do this is you can actually go to the audio file that you want in Godot, and once you've selected this, go to the Import tab. What you're going to want to do is then go to Loop Mode under Edit and then change it from Detect From to Forward. So here we've got Loop Begin and Loop End. This should automatically be set at -1, and what this means is that it will repeat at the very end of the audio file. You could change this to other values if you wanted to, say, restart from the middle of the audio loop. However, leaving it at -1 will make it loop from the very end. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Re-Import, and now this audio track will automatically replay.
Good. Okay. Awesome. So yeah. Yep. Loop here. It's okay. Cool. Let's do this. I still gotta compose the second song. So. It's definitely on the softer side. Maybe I can increase. Oh, let me. It's a little louder. Ooh, okay, I don't like that. So in the you hear the song, right? Yeah, that shouldn't happen. So what can we do? Okay, you know what? Okay. Oh man. Okay. So I think what we should do is probably just go ahead and make it to 1, and perhaps having a repeat wrong bar. So I think I probably would need to go ahead and um, um, let's try this way, right? Let's try this. Hopefully, I probably need to go ahead and fade this in, fade it in, and then fade it out. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we render this. Render project. No. Yeah, overwrite the file. Finish in 2 seconds. Okay. Let's go ahead and find it. Okay. Find it in here. Open folder. Right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove it. And I'm going to come on, where are you? Okay, let me close that. Okay, so we're gonna control copy, right, and then I'm gonna paste in here. So, wow, man. Okay, so we got a forward, going to the scene. Okay, save. Try this out. Yep. Yep. Oh, I'll have to fade in. The at the end part, it was just like to hear the hitting of the plucking of the audio is just not doing it. Trim. Here, maybe it's a good thing to kind of take a look. Wait, how to remove the on loop Godot audio?
You might know Harbor Freight for affordability. What you might not know is performance and...
Howdy everyone. We're going to get rid of an annoying little audio issue that plagues a lot of us in game development, which is when you've got an audio file and it's got an intro and you want it to loop, but you don't want it to loop the intro. So this is Godot's vanilla audio stream player, and we're going to extend that to this. So here we're going to have intro seconds, where you have how many seconds the intro is. Trim that class attribute. If we on here,
sorry, I'm just kidding.
Probably when would that ever? Yeah, let's give a little listen. Start the scene, it's going to trip this and loop right away, and it'll actually skip most of the intro. So we don't want that. But the good news is that's basically it. Let's give it a shot.
Okay. What about if I do something like this? Something like, okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and stop that. So perhaps I have to loop this a couple times. I'm guessing. Here. Let me take a look. Another look. When music finishes looping Godot, I hear a plucking sound. Yeah, audio pop. Yeah. You can shut audio pop with known cause. It doesn't seem to be associated with a particular sound. Ooh, the audio pop. Audio pop. You may try storing the last value returned. Vent audio pop. Popping Reaper. audio popping increase. Or actually, don't know why I did that. I am so smart. Dun, 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 dun. Increase the buffer size, huh? Got rid of my real ads. Oh, okay. Okay, your audio system has max with the current latency system. Okay. Because I don't hear the audio too popping. Get the length, huh? Wow. Okay. Continuation panning. Or maybe can I just do something via the music though? Maybe if I want to make a loop, right? I think probably the easiest way is just probably the easiest way is just to make it more congruent. Like you have this space here, right? So give it another 2 more spaces here. Okay, probably see the problem. I see the problem. So if we do spaces to 2, right? Space, but I do wonder what happens. I do think I think this will be a problem, right? Because then you're gonna have 2 spaces here, and then you know, right? You have a spacing. Yeah, you don't hear much of the popping sound. So I'm thinking probably shorten it, but adding a fade. Okay, how do you fade this? Okay, how to fade in Reaper. And so we're gonna need this. I think we're gonna need more bars. So I got 10, probably 21, 22. And then we'll go back here. and paste it all here, and then we're gonna play it all right here. Okay, and so 21, 22. Okay. So we have this one playing, right? And then as I play these notes, we can then perhaps also fade some of the keys. Oh. Oh. There we go. Hallelujah. Okay, yeah. And so I think we probably solved this issue. Oh, jeez. Okay, you want to just play it again? Yeah, I don't know, but okay. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to like kill this whole entire thing. I just don't like it how it's just like when we fade in. Oh gosh, when we fade in, it's just really annoying. Like, just freaking played the whole thing. All 20 bars. You know, and then probably just do this. I don't like it. I want it to just be constant. Oh, oops. Yeah. Okay. Probably the notes. Oh. I kind of wanted to adjust the dB, the decibel. Okay, so how do you trim volume? Nope. Oh, here we go. Probably go. Take a look. Okay, a little bit better. Maybe say something like 15. Okay, go ahead. Okay, 14.9. think this should be good. Now we gotta render this out. Yeah, baby. Overwrite files. Cool. So we should probably 206 kilobits per second, and we got this guy. So I guess I see that, we can actually just go ahead and probably it's a better idea to go ahead and work on it. If it's on the audio side, probably fix on the audio side. If it's on the game engine side, fix on the game engine side. Because when it looks at the popping, it's like, jeez, man, kind of a sucks. So from here, I'm going to, oh yes, load. Oh, not art. See, sound, music. Play that. Should be longer. And 16-bit disabled. Oh, okay. Lean to 40. 40-esque. Import. Detect from. Forward. Re-import. Okay. So, hopefully, this should solve it. So we won't hear that popping noise. Okay, so the second repeat. Still popping at the end. Still popping at the end, man. Oh. Playback type default. Does this even do anything? Okay. Man. Shoot. Pitch tail playing. Next distance attenuation. Yeah, this is probably Godot side. The problem. How to fix audio pop in Godot. Wait, hold on. When I export this out, right? Very wonder. So, yeah, okay. Man, this is an interesting problem. The audio popping. So if I increase the frame rate sample, is that gonna do anything? So I feel like we did have a little bit of a fix. Here, you know what? Let me, instead of just like grabbing at the walls, let me see. Fixing audio pop. Okay. Okay, audiences max the current latency, increase the buffers or fix it, but we'll. Okay, you know what? Let's just close it. Sure, save it. Okay, let's play it. Okay. Not as bad as before, but didn't really do much. Popping in Godot. Video popping. The only probably place I hear this, actually, you know what? Let's hear. Let's hear the export. You know what? We should hear this. Okay, we're gonna loop it. Hmm. Probably. I mean, the fade in and out. Oh boy, this. maybe let me export it as an OGG file. Godot, you and your OGG files. That might actually solve it. Wow. Oh yeah. You know, I might think about buying it actually. Just buying this and just help the devs, support the devs. This it's really good actually. I'm really glad I I stuck with this. Okay, let me just render this not as a WAV. CF. Oh. What fuck? Oh, something. Sorry. What is a what is the diff between OGG Orbis? Oh, what the heck? OGG Vorbis and Opus. Vorbis. Vorbis and Opus. Oh, okay. So you know what? Probably Vorpus then. Probably. Ooh. Yeah, what? Is it 70.75? Okay. I mean, let's try it at least. Okay, where are we? Music. Oh, we don't need one. We just need that. And we need this. Okay, let's go ahead and copy this sucker in. Okay, let's play loop on. If this actually does help, I'm like, yeah. Probably lesson learned, right? Is go with OGG Vorpus. Actually, I want to curious because it's higher quality, right? Wow. Okay. WAV is more kilobytes. Okay. I like the staticky aspect of it. I mean, it certainly does fit the vibe. Okay, we'll give it a second time. Oh shoot. Oh man, gotta re-import it because we made the change. Loop ops BPM beats per minute, huh? So I guess an OGG. So hit the sound. Ugh. Okay, so you know what? Let me take the other ones example, because I really wanted to see how can they um avoid this popping sound. Yeah, I think it's a good problem to have to learn it. But where, oh where are you? Let's see, projects Python. No, no, no. Okay. Uh, okay, let's see if this is one. Nope, not that one. But dang, that is loud. Holy crap. Oh, it's MP3. But Magic Main Menu, okay. So let's say I do this. Okay, well here, open file terminal. Let's put this in. Space Magic. Okay, Space Magic. Whatnot. And we are going to switch this one. Sound, music, Magic Space. Okay, and we're gonna loop, re-import. Okay, and then we just play it. Okay, man, this is gonna be long. Wait, hold on. Let me just double check. Because that sounds like continuous loop. No. Background music, start intro. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna play it just once. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Huh. Tricky. Tricky. And then the space in between. Give it a space in between. Cool, jeez. Maybe just do this. Screw it down to the 13th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe go for 2 bars instead. Or maybe leave with the piano. Maybe I should leave with the piano and then render OGG quality sample rate. Let's try this one. Render override. Okay, close. Okay, yeah, well, I hope we can solve this issue. Loop, re-import. Man, this is supposed to be an easy fix, but wow, this is a kind of a pain in the butt. less now. Okay, second time. So here below the pop. Actually, let's see from a coding's perspective, how can we we try to fix this with fade. Wave out. So we okay, you want let's see, file render this wave out. So on the thing, it's not playing bad. It's just Godot. So if I were to do it this way, so if it finishes, play the thing, and don't have it repeat. Put some. Okay, so let's say play. So let's just say this. Okay, hold on. Why is it? Oh, wait, no. Oh, no. Oh, okay. I can see sometimes they can just like hide the popping sounds by starting on the pop. Okay, the second repeat. No, the repeat. So the way it ended. The way it ended. Right, because what was it? You have the lead here and it ended on that note. Two bars. I feel like it's gonna be a pain in the butt to just wait. So, probably in music, we will have to shift. Oh, come on. Oh, boy. How do I get everything? Oh, yeah, the marquee tool. So. So that we can introduce it. And then what we're going to do. So that is one bar. Then close it, enclosure like this. And then what I'm thinking is that we can probably within Reaper, right? So the idea was about like a torus, right? Where there's not beginning or the end. So to kind of make it force it to loop, perhaps shift the notes to be more the center. Because the fading in and whatnot, it's not bad, but it's just this last note. Guess we don't really need this. It's just okay. So I think probably learn is like how. I guess better question is like how can we get it to render? Okay, probably same rendering. Yeah, let's overwrite that. I move it forward. Okay, you know what? Oh, Starfighter. Okay, we're gonna looping, and we're not gonna care about that anymore. Disconnect. Hopefully this is good. Ah, okay. So I don't think we hear the popping noise, which is good. But it just means is that our this though, the second part, the fragile air, probably will need to come in at this. Probably come in bar 5, and then bar 5 starts from bar 5, so 20 1 2 3 4 5. Probably don't. Ooh. Probably don't need it. Interesting. Lead by the piano. Yeah. Okay. 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 I hope this is it. This is it. Yes, override. Close. Okay, well, ogg.import. ogg. Wave. Okay. 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 I think we kind of fixed the that because um because like it's kind of funny how like the way the audio starts, it sounds really different. And so if you end it on a high note, and you expect it to have a nice playthrough, it's probably not going to have a good playthrough. But because we have that bit of that staticiness in there, so I think we could kind of get away with doing this. So okay, let's save project and I guess new project tab. Oh, okay. Oh. Save file type. Maybe if we can add. Okay. Star. I guess star fighter. Fighter. Level uno. Level one. Okay, you want to probably say galactic fight. Galactic battle. Okay. Wow. So okay, so we have multiple tabs. Ooh, this is interesting. Okay. But I think per process, right? I think we probably will want to. Oh, wrong one. I think we're probably going to have to think about what is the galactic battle, or the space battle. I should probably just rename it. What is it? Rename. Okay, I haven't spelled galactic. Galactic battle. Let's see. Project settings. Media. Audio. Oh, okay. Can I just rename this? Come on. There's got to be some way to rename the projects. Okay, you know what? Screw this. Okay. Saves. Level 1. Level 1. Space battle. Oh, no, please. Nope. Okay, come on. Okay, I just want to rename. Come on. Rename. I'm gonna call this Space Battle RPP. Let's go. Okay. So we got kind of a bit of a setup, but man, we just got a couple minutes. So you know what? Let's just start part of the brainstorming aspect. Okay. Okay, so music idea. Blitz thought. So we kind of have our melody already. We have a melody already, and you know what? Okay, setting. Game type. Okay, so I'm gonna probably say setting. Menu. Okay. Music number 2. Oh, I'm sorry. Music. Okay, where? Here we go. Music number 2. So, music number 2, where settings, game play level 1. Gameplay level 1. Okay, context. So squadron. And with this, so your squadron are sorted out. What'd you call this? How am I gonna call this? The squadrons are sorted out. As reinforcements to a on the battlefield near city planet your squadron are sorted out as reinforcements onto the battle in the city planet. Boo. Nauru. The city of the Federation planet. Federation planet. Nauru. Probably I should change it. Give it some name. Yeah, you know what? Probably not. Here, let me just take a look. With okay. Okay. Mara seems a good name. See a planet. The Federation planet called Mara. Okay. Sorted out zero forms on the battlefield here. Gomorrah. Many of this Gomorrah. Battlefield. Federation. Are currently fighting against and not isolated. Outer rim. What's another word for? Not outskirts. Another word. Synonym. Synonym for outskirts. Outpost planet. Outpost Federation planet Mara. Federation capital and frigate ships are currently engaging against rebel fighter rebel ships. Report. Ships, Federation capital and frigate capital ships are currently fighting against rebel ships. Reinforcements. Federation capital and frigate ships are currently engaging a rebel. Your mission is destroy repel the rebels. This is gonna be actually good text. Good text. So let's see. Okay, mood. Let's you know what, we can usually look into crap. Okay, this is probably, well, it's 12:03, but we kind of have, at least we kind of think got it to work. We actually created our own BGM music through Reaper, and it's small. It's just more of a loopy. We actually created a background music that just can be looped and whatnot. Now, that being said, we had some challenges with just the popping audio noises, and just attempting to fix that. And we just kind of see if people members notice it. And now we're going to go ahead and we are going ahead and try to play the try to go ahead and create the main at least main level 1 battle theme music. So you know I'm pretty stoked to hear what's new and get working. And it was good to kind of get back into the code a bit so that I don't forget. Yeah, but that being said, right? So progress made, and I'm pretty good with it. So thanks for watching. My name is Charles, and I'm going to be heading out, signing off. And thank you for watching Late Night Game Dev channel. I will see you next Friday. Maybe perhaps we could review another game. I think. Yeah. Alright, cool. Talk to you later.